Funky D, everybody. Welcome back once again. Yes, you get one guy, what do they call, whether not governor, whether not, I don't know what that guy be, whether they call Yaya Bello of Kogi State. So, would I know say the matter of these people, they come out all the time because of the evil things where they do and the evil things where they don't do. You get. Not only Yaya Bello, even that ex-governor now. I think from where again? When I remember, I'm going to tell you guys, man. Governor Yeri. All of them, all these people, they are evil people and they are all APC thieves. Governor Yeri, now ex-governor now, when they deal with Buhari 247, when you know here they get the time when that they talk say them when be the APC people, APC governors, they know they live in their state again. Now Abuja, then they live. Now that Governor Yeri that they talk about, the man looted of recent, ladies and gentlemen, 250 something billion. Make I just they call and make one they hear how much they loot when they miss. They say when they go the man office, go check the new governor when enter. Though we know say all of them, they are all rogues. Both the former and the new. All of them are the same thing, ladies and gentlemen. The thing when the former don't do now, now the same thing when the new one they can't do now. So Nigeria be because now our money, all of them they find go there. They're not there for you. They're not there for anybody. They're there for themselves, just to make the money. That's all. And when they are looting, Jubri is signing it, no problem. Because all of them, they are all APC. Right? Now, then say, according to the news, the new governor and his men, then they check their, you know, their performance, their record, and things like that as they take over the governorship position in the state. And then they find out, see, 250 something billion. Billions, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Governor Yeri. That one are the one where they see, oh, ladies and gentlemen, the one where they see. Okay. Again, the issue of this Governor Yahaya Bello of Kogi State, where Dino Malaye came from, and is can I call him Dino Malaye rival or something? You know, they are like, you know, they are not in good terms. They are like, you know, accusing each other of different things. But this issue now, when I want to talk now, not be Dino Malaye talk because news talk other, you know, news talk not be Dino Malaye statement. So the thing when did they be seen? I know see 2019 election, the news say this man what they call Yaya Bello in higher killers, all these herdsmen and Boko Haram, I mean, all these evil things this man do just to make sure see Jubri, so that the state go win for Jubri. That is the same thing when the army people do. Yaya Bello, because now here's no say Yaya Bello na man when they talk say him na Buhari boy all the time. And they get some time where they see some elders from the state, that is Kogi State, that they talk say Yaya Bello can never be governor of that state again because of the evil things when Yaya Bello they do. And some of these evil things when Yaya Bello they do know Malayi don't they talk am sometimes. They talk the things because once he say even the problem when that Dino Malayi they get now because of Yaya Bello, because Yaya Bello is Buhari boy, Abi Buhari na Yaya Bello papa. So all of them they work hand in hand to they attack Dino Malayi. But I know they talk say Dino Malayi is a good person, ladies and gentlemen. All these people, as far as you are not working for Nigerian people, you are a bad guy. Dino Malayi is not a good person. Himself don't they come out and say now he must to be governor of the state. And the Yaya Bello is there as the sitting governor. But the Dino Malayi forget say he cannot just be governor like that. Because he never contest for primaries. He gets some people when be PDP members when go first fight against Dino Malayi based on that position. I mean based on primaries. I don't mean physical fight, ladies and gentlemen. Based on primaries. Though we know say na highest bidder Maybe Dino Malaye who passed them, maybe then who passed Dino Malaye, we don't know who will come be at the end of the day. But Dino Malaye, do not forget that you have never done primaries. You have never contested for primaries. So you go first finish from primaries before you begin talking about challenging the governor. Though you might win, you might not win. I not support you. I know they support APC. I know they support PDP. All of una follow Grand Nigeria down. All of una follow Wreck Nigeria down. You are not supporting nobody. But the thing when they try to be say, Dino Malaye they talk say, na him one challenge. He must to become the governor of Kogi State. If not be him, nobody. So check it out now. Yaya Bello they rent killers. When kill, do everything, rig for Buhari, carry bylaw balls, and all these stupid INEC people follow join. The worst election conducted ever. The worst INEC chairman ever. The worst presidential election conducted ever. Now this 2019. You get? And upon that, Nigerian people from Kidisi where on a day. We go be like say we they sleep, but Funky D not they sleep, ladies and gentlemen. Nigerian people be like say na sleep or not they sleep. Every wayo when these people don't they tell on our sins when even now, ladies and gentlemen, now 2019 we day. We not day 2012. We not day 2012. Now 2019. How 200 million Nigerian people? This thing they make me sometimes I feel say, man, this country not be country again. That is the reason why when they support this breaking up. 200 million Nigerian people they there. Yakubu tell the whole world every day, even the day of the election, say na coalition of result electronically. They not to coalesce electronically. Not only that, they carry 245 billion. Give this man. Ladies and gentlemen, today INEC they claim see they not coalesce any electronically, they not get anything like server. And Nigerian people they sit down there they look. Buhari aka Jubri last time killed 150 something people. According to what they tell us, we know say millions don't die that election day when they don't want show them. They don't want make people see. They say 150 people. Everybody they look at. Buhari do then do 4, 3, 5 days, 7 days, 8 days will not hear any result from the INEC. At the end of the day, INEC don't do what he do finish. Can't say na Jobri win election. Nigeria people that they look them. They do on no hand. They resign on no hand. Nigeria people they say, hey, everybody just go inside house. When they give them money, everybody just die inside enter inside house with the money. Oh no, now don't come go. Then do again now. And begin deny now say they're not coalesce nothing electronically. Everybody just quiet. The issue of the certificate, everybody just quiet. The issue say Buhari come from Sudan, everybody just quiet. Nigerian people. No wonder the same man don't tell us say all of una lazy. All of una lazy. So we not want to know whether not the dead one tell them say they're lazy, whether not the new one, not the same thing. We not send on a message. But what we know be say they don't talk say Nigerian people are very, very lazy. And truly, when you look at waiting the way when the man they take oppress everybody, including the judiciary system, including the judges, including the lawyers, including professors, including ex-president, including everybody. You see, truly, Nigerian people, they are lazy. Okay, the reason why they bring out this matter now, you see, I want to talk to the Ohaneze Ndigbo once again and the things when they happen once again, because now I want to combine everything together so that everybody when they hear before now they hear them well, because it be like say we not hear from Kidi Wam of Canada before, but today we will begin hear from Kidi by force. Ladies and gentlemen, the thing when Ohaneze Ndigbo they do from Kidi say I not understand. I not understand. Somebody like Jubri don't kick on a come out from power. say you not carry anything give una. Say nobody go be. Somebody like Okorocha, the stupid man, and the other man they call Ojus Okano, all of them don't go lick the Kaba shoes. They don't go back to Aso Rock. And after then, the first thing when the first talk they say, Igbo people cannot get the Igbo presidency, including that one they call that sick Amechi, because the Igbo people cannot get 2023 presidency, and nothing will make them get that 2023, and everything be as them talk. So that is why they tell them, say, as if they talk, then they do their action sharp. That is why we need to do our own action sharp without talking too much. Including if Hesman and Boko Haram they do their own, they know they nyan. They know they tell you say they won't come kill you. They don't talk it. Now only we when we go just there on social media, they make too much noise. When they make noise, before you know, everybody go put their head inside. Not be so things they happen. The Ohanese Ndigbo, up to today, the thing when happen when them when Buhari not take give them position, we hear now say them they talk about 2023. Them now don't carry 2023 for head. They talk say they go meeting who won't become 2023. Say they must Igbo people must become presidency. Which presidency are you calling when even no single position when una day on top? I mean the Biafran. And we are talking, who wants to support you? And nobody did that to up there. I mean the federal level to support the Biafran people. Because the Igbo people when we get there, the Igbo men when we get there, that is Okorocha and also Ojus Okalo, even including Ekwere Mado, including Chris Ngige, including the other man, what do they call what be this guy name again? All of them they support Jubri. All of them support the Yoruba people. All of them support the Kabas. All of them support the Fulani people. So who won this Igbo presidency when this Ohanese Ndigbo, when they feel Ohanese Ndigbo, they use this thing, that they use all this thing to spoil the agitation of Biafra. Because if to say their sense, if they to say them get normal sense, that the reason as somebody the reason, as then as Jubri not put any Biafra man in any position, then go just bounce back to Biafra. They go just wage war on Biafra. Say man, as this thing happen like this, we are going and nothing will stop it. Then everybody will come support. Now, when they cry the same presidency, other Biafran people then they agitate on their own, and this same Ohanese Ndigbo when be saying that them be the cause, that them be the reason with the 5 state governors when they get in Igbo land, now them be the reason when Buhari no send the message, you not send Biafran people message, because these people when be say them be the elders when they suppose come together with Biafran people, now them they scatter the whole thing. The reason why they talk this in BC as Jubri. Now my point be this, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what will be your point, but this one is my point. As Jubri not give any position to any Biafran person in federal level, ladies and gentlemen. Now so Ohanese Ndigbo, senior and junior, and the whole Igbo people in general supposed to bounce back to Biafra to wage war completely. Complete war they're supposed to wage, because this Jubri don't they go freely long time with all the whole evil thing when they do in that country. It don't take. Now this one this will not for teach the man lesson, teach APC people lesson, teach this Arewa and the Oduduwa people lesson, teach Bola Tinubu and the vice president lesson. Now when I see they talk about 2023 and other people are shouting for liberation, other people are agitating for liberation, and on a day there they talk about presidency. Does it make sense? Okay, now who won't work for this Ohanese Ndigbo now in federal level? Who won't support them in federal level? Because to just come out and say you won't become president is not enough. Igbo man won't bring out somebody, and I'll not get anybody that is supporting on in the federal level. So I wonder how that kind of presidency will work out. And I wonder who will support these people. Because nobody is supporting this Ohanese Ndigbo because they don't like the way people are agitating for Biafra. Because they don't want to be involved with the Biafran people. And still, Funkidi say it must still understand the reason why these people are behaving the way they are behaving. Okay, look at that yesterday now. The same man when I don't talk about before. Although the man, we don't know, we never know. But I tell you, all these things what they do now when be Biafran is totally confusing. Nobody know how they want take follow una, because the thing is crazy. Okay, look at this. Another person now, that man, we don't talk about the man before. When be Emeka Sere, we hear see the man just enter home from London and God they preach on his own, in his own way, the way when he want his agitation to be. That one they talk say make them form government under Nigeria. While in the Kano they talk say liberation. You get? And these two men then they London. Ladies and gentlemen, make you not get my point. But I don't talk with not talk. Whether you like it, you don't like it, it's up to you. Ladies and gentlemen, I say these two men then they live in London. Why they not come together? One person not come call one, say, brother, come. In my inchabufu. Can I make here together? Can I make this agitation together one day? Why not they can not feel call that Emeka Sere or Emeka Sere not calling on the Kano? Because when people are, thinking about the agitation, you will think widely, and you say, man, this thing is not right. Come together now. Waiting when we don't tell everybody when come from Biafra. But for one man to they do once, another man they once, and they know themselves. It not make sense. Not only they make Emeka Sere, a lot of them there they have been doing it. Why not come together? So that we will not say now one umbrella they take fight this Biafra. Why Emeka Sere not calling and can go meet them as brother? Okay, you see, now it makes some people they talk say sometimes some people go talk say they not understand this thing what they do, and the people go begin verse, and those people want to know the verse they don't know what in they, because if you know what in they, you will know say people they make sense. Come together now the ultimate. Whether you they preach your own, go America or go London or go Jerusalem, another one they preach, come together and fight this fight once and for all. Because as it's scatter like this, it not make no sense. You get now the word when I get for now today, and I get another video when I go take emphasize on this issue seriously based on these people when they call themselves the Biafran leaders. Because it be like say they never still arrive. You get? One love everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, you know say you never share my video. Share them. Share and give everybody when you hear their names. Get me? If you know say you never press that button, begin pressing. And you know say you never subscribe. Please begin subscribe right now. Funky D Worldwide.